Greetings from the future of luxurious travel. Put away all you know about RVs. This is a statement, not simply a car. Presenting the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, the first of its type. To move this magnificent architecture, the Chiron's renowned 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 engine, which has been tuned for cruising efficiency, generates incredible power with the aid of a mild hybrid system for instant torque and maximum economy at low speeds. This is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece that combines hypercar performance with residential elegance. Thanks to seamless body panels and lightweight carbon fiber, the design has evolved from a straightforward box to a flowing, aerodynamic beauty. The sharp, slim LED headlamps on either side of Bugatti's iconic horseshoe grille dominate the front end. Even while stationary, the huge aerodynamic wheels, useful air intakes, and sharp body lines exude speed and grace. It is a striking piece of art that embodies Bugatti luxury in a way that no other route can. The Bugatti Motorhome cockpit is a really captivating experience once you're inside. The dashboard is the ideal fusion of unparalleled beauty and contemporary simplicity. The best handcrafted leather and matte carbon fiber cover every surface, with polished titanium and billet aluminum accents. The dashboard's ultra-wide curved touchscreen displays realistic three-dimensional navigation, comprehensive flight information, and simple vehicle controls that may be accessed via haptic feedback. The inside is transformed into a private aircraft cockpit that is ready for adventure, complete with dynamic LED ambient lighting that changes to your mood and a steering wheel that is reminiscent of a hypercar and provides precise control. The living area, the primary interior space, is a luxurious haven with a variety of uses. The beautifully polished black wood flooring create a striking contrast to the elaborately sewn Alcantara panels that adorn the walls. Electric slide-out modules significantly increase the size at the touch of a button, forming a roomy sitting area with a couch and ergonomic aniline leather seats. While a concealed transparent OLED screen may transform into an ultra-high-definition multimedia entertainment center or show the outside view, a folding carbon fiber dining table rises out of the floor. Even in the most isolated places, you can stay in touch with the outside world thanks to a high-speed satellite communication system and an integrated voice control. The sleeping chamber serves as your own haven and is more than simply a place to sleep. The focal point is a king-size bed with a luxurious memory foam mattress and Italian silk linens. Complete stillness is ensured by the leather-covered acoustic panels that cover the bedroom walls. The integrated entertainment system includes a fold-out projection screen, an adjustable surround sound system, and LED starlights on the ceiling to create a mystical atmosphere. Plenty of space is provided without sacrificing style thanks to a specially made carbon fiber wardrobe and concealed storage drawers. The bathroom also creates a luxurious impression. Light Carrara marble floors and polished titanium fixtures are used in the simple yet effective design. A smart toilet with automated cleaning and a heated seat offers the maximum comfort, while a rain shower with digital temperature control offers a revitalizing bathing experience. The best air circulation is provided by a mirror with built-in LED illumination and an advanced air ventilation system. This is your own spa wherever you go, not just a restroom. The kitchen of the Bugatti Motorhome is a technological and design marvel. It has top-notch integrated stainless steel equipment, such as a large-capacity refrigerator freezer, convection oven microwave, and dual induction cooktop. Every tool and ingredient is kept in its proper place thanks to ingenious storage mechanisms and counters composed of a lightweight, stain-resistant composite material that resembles stone. Your culinary adventure is completed with a built-in espresso machine and wine chiller. Whether you're on a hilltop or in the midst of the desert, this kitchen is made to allow you to prepare delectable meals. 2026 Bugatti Motorhome. It is a vision more than a vehicle. A living example of boundless wealth and boundless discovery. It's Bugatti.